Now this is a typical percentages of amounts question. If we ignore the fact that we're working in grams, we can look and see we're working out 15% in this case. So with 15% we can't find it immediately, but what we can do is I'd always recommend splitting up these percentages into the tens and the ones, because we can find those separately and combine them. And if that doesn't make sense, I will show you what I mean in a minute. So 15%, you can see it's made up of 10% and 5%, because we know 10 plus 5 is 15. And we know that we can find 10% really easily. So we're working with 160 grams, so that's 100%, because 100% is our full amount. So if we say 100% is our full amount, then you know that to find 10%, we have to divide by 10. So 160 divided by 10 is 16. So we found 10%, and now the second part of our strategy is to find 5%, and hopefully now you can see that's quite nice and easy, because we can halve 5%, so we can divide by 2, and dividing 16 by 2, you should hopefully see, gives us 8. So now we've got 10% and 5%, we can add them together. So 10% is 16, we said, and 5% is 8. So we can add them together. 16 plus 8 is 24. And that's our answer, because we've split up the 15% into 10% and 5% and added it together. So a question that can seem quite intimidating, because we can't find 15% straight away, but you know how to find 10%, and 5% is really easy to find once you've found 10%. So always think about splitting up the percentage, if it's complex like this, into its tens and ones, because you can find 10% and you can find 1%, 5%, and then you can combine them together